Good morning students, welcome back to our video classes. Today we shall see application of integration. Already integration, definite integrations and differential equations we have studied. So today we shall see the last part of the integration, that is its application. In its application mainly we have to find out the area enclosed between the curve and the x-axis, or the area enclosed between the curve and the y-axis between the two boundaries. For example, you can see if the curve is given like this is the curve, and we want to find area enclosed between this curve and this is a line x equal to a to x equal to b. X equal to a is a line parallel to y-axis and x equal to b is also line parallel to y-axis. We are intended to find this area. And here y equal to fx, this curve represents y equal to fx. Then to find this area between the x-axis curve and the line x equal to a to x equal to b is nothing but, it is given by integration area equals to integration limit varies from a to b y dx, or it can be written as a to b fx dx. If sine of fx is not known, or if fx is a continuous function, then the same formula can be written as a equals to a to b mod of y dx, or it can be written as a to b mod of fx dx. So here we are finding the area enclosed between this curve and line x equal to a to x equal to b and the x-axis. While if we are intended to find out the area between the curve y equal to fx instead of there is a curve x equal to fy and the y-axis, then what formula will be used? So the other format may be, the next diagram you can see maybe like this. Your curve may be given like this, and we are intended to find out this area. This is a line y equals to c, and this is line y equal to d, and this is given x equal to fy. So this area we are intended to find out. So in this case, what will be the area? This area will be given by integration limit varies from c to d x dy. It means we have to find the value of x in terms of y, and then it will be integrated. Or the same can be written as integration limit varies from c to d fy dy. Here also, if the sign of fx or fy is not known, then we shall use the modular sign. Or in simple way you can understand that whenever we calculate the area, its value is never represented with minus sign. Area, distance and volume is always expressed with positive sign. So if it is a continuous function, the same formula may be modified in the form integration limit varies from c to d mod of x dy, or limit varies from c to d mod of fy dy. So this is the formula to find the area between the curve and the y-axis. Previous formula was to find the area between the curve and the x-axis, and this is the formula to find the area between the curve and the y-axis between two parallel lines parallel to the x-axis. Now we shall see how to find out the area between two curves. Our next topic is to find the area between two curves. Area between two curves. Suppose this is the first curve y equal to fx. This is another curve y equals to gx, and we want to find out this area between these two curves. Integration limit varies from a to b. This is the x equal to b line and this is x equal to a line. Then you can see, if you integrate this curve from a to b, this total area up to here it is obtained. If it is a, b, c, d, then to get the area a, b, c, d, we have to integrate y equal to fx from a to b. And if we write here E and M, then to find the area E, C, D, M, we have to integrate y equal to gx from a to b. Then if these two areas are subtracted, if from the total area this area is subtracted, we can find out area enclosed between the two curves. So it can be written as area equals to integration limit varies from a to b fx dx minus integration limit varies from a to b gx dx. Or the same can be written as limit varies from a to b mod of fx minus gx dx. So this is the way to find out the area between the two curves. If the two curves equation is given, here fx and gx given, right? Its value in terms of x and integrate it between the two limits a to b. Similarly, how to find the area between the two curves if it is a line along the y-axis? So same can be there. This is x-axis, y-axis, and our curve is lying along this. We want to find out this area. This is x equal to fy and here x equal to zy. Between these two curves, this area is enclosure from y equal to c to y equal to d. This is y equal to c is a line parallel to x-axis. Y equal to d is a line parallel to x-axis. Then this area we are intended to find out this area. So how to find out this area? To find out this area, integrate this curve from c to d. Then you will get this total area up to y-axis minus integrate this curve from c to d. You will get this area, and if it is subtracted, we shall get the standard area. So standard area will be integration limit varies from c to d fy dy minus integration limit varies from c to d zy dy. If fy and gy are continuous function or if their sign is not known, in that case the same formula can be written from c to d mod of fy minus zy dy. So using this concept, you may try to find out the area between the curves and the x-axis. Sometimes the area between the two curves are given under defined area. Keep in mind, while you are solving for the problems, first step is to make the diagram. Make the diagram using the drawing concepts and plot the area which you are intended to find out. Once the graph is made, your 50% work is done. Easily you can find out the area, then which equation is to be integrated and what will be its limit, everything will be clear. So as we used to do in the heights and distance, if once the graph is clear, diagram is clear, easily we can calculate the desired value. In the same way here also, if graph is clear, easily you can find out the required area. Thank you.